Okay, a very easy one. H2 plus O2 gives you H2O. So hydrogen plus oxygen is giving you water. Right? Let's balance this. So like I said, first we write down the reactant side and then we write down the product side to note the number of atoms. And this work has to be done in rough. Please remember that. So here we write hydrogen, the number of atoms are 2. Oxygen, the number of atoms are 2. Again I am telling you what is written as subscript down, that is the number of atoms. Coming to this side, hydrogen is equal to 2 written over here, and oxygen is equal to 1 because nothing is written over here. If nothing is written over here, it means one atom is there, right? So oxygen here has one atom. Hydrogen to this side already balanced. Oxygen to this side, only one this side, so this has to be balanced. So this side has lesser atoms. This is where we are going to multiply. So this 1 has to be multiplied by a whole number so that you get 2. So obviously we are going to multiply this 1 by 2, and like I said, you can only put it in front of the formula. हम ऐसा नहीं कह सकते कि हमने 2 यहाँ लगा दिया और लो हमारा बैलेंस हो गया. This is going to become wrong. Alright. So you cannot put a 2 over here. You cannot put a 2 over here also. If you say that I'll put a 2 in front of oxygen and my equation is balanced, it is again going to become wrong. Right? So you can only put in front of the formula where there is a compound. This is the place where you are going to put the 2. So now what changes have been happening? See the changes very properly. This 2 we have put to balance the oxygen, but this 2 will be multiplied by the hydrogen 2 also. Alright. So this 2 into this 2, the hydrogen now becomes 4. This 2 into the 1 of oxygen now becomes 2. Right? So oxygen has been balanced, but the hydrogen is unbalanced now. So we need to balance the hydrogen. These 2 atoms of hydrogen have to be multiplied by a number so that you get 4. And that number is supposed to be 2 into 2 is going to give you 4. So you are going to put a 2 over here. Right? You cannot put a 2 over here. If you put a 2 over here, this is going to become H22, which is wrong. Right? So you can put a 2 only in front. I have already told you that. Remember it always. And this 2 multiplied by this 2 is going to give you 4. So 2 2s are 4 hydrogen this side. 2 2s are 4 hydrogen this side. 2 oxygen this side. And 2 into 1, 2 oxygen this side. This is a balanced equation. And your answer you are going to write after this is 2H2 plus O2 is going to give you 2H2O. That is going to be your balanced equation. Alright, let's take one more. Now consider this equation. C plus O2 is giving you CO2. This is one equation. Right? So the first thing you need to do is note down the number of atoms of the reactant side and note down the number of atoms on the product side. Right? So carbon or C has only one atom. No number written here. One atom. Oxygen has 2 atoms on the reactant side. Coming to the product side, carbon, no number written over here, so it has 1 atom. Oxygen has 2 atoms, 2 written here. Alright. So carbon has 1 atom this side, carbon has 1 atom this side also. Oxygen has 2 atoms this side and oxygen has 2 atoms on this side also. Both the sides the number of atoms are same. So your answer is going to be equation is already balanced. That's going to be your answer. Alright? Got that everybody? You don't need to do anything. So the equation is already balanced. Just write the equation is already balanced.